Today we're gonna make apple pie. It's so easy to make. It's gonna have a flaky pastry crust and a very juicy apple filling. You're gonna love this. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's do this. Welcome to Kitchen with a View. For this apple pie, you can either buy an already made crust, or I'm going to show you how to make one, which is super easy and it's much nicer. Starting with the crust. In a big bowl, add the flour, salt and butter. Mix it all together with the hands. Make sure the butter is very cold. When it's all mixed, add the cold water little by little and mix until you get the dough. Refrigerate in the fridge for about 1 hour. While the dough is in the fridge, you can prepare the filling. Peel and slice the apples and put them in a bowl. Add the sugar, flour, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and some lemon juice, and stir until well combined. Remove the dough from the fridge and let it sit at room temperature for at least 10 minutes so that the dough gets a bit softer and you can roll it out easily. Divide the dough into two. Knead the first half of the dough with a rolling pin and place it over the pie. Use a fork to make tiny holes on the base of the pie. And fill the pie with the apple mix. Knead the other half of the dough and with a pizza cutter cut some strips. Arrange some of the strips across the pie, between 6 and 8 depending on how thick you want your strips to be. Fold back every other strip. Place one long strip perpendicularly and unfold the folded strips over the perpendicular strip. Now take the parallel strips and fold them back over the perpendicular strip. Continue this procedure until the weave is complete over the top of the pie. To finish, paint the top with egg wash. Spread 1 tablespoon of sugar on top. Bake in the oven at 200 degrees. Use the rack on the lower third of the oven to crisp up the bottom crust and bake it for about 50 minutes. Here we have it. As you could see, it was not that difficult. You could also have it flat with some holes instead of doing this thing. I think it looks a little bit nicer though. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And if you like the recipe, I'm gonna have it down below together with all the links of everything I've been using for this video. Please give a thumbs up and I hope to see you very soon.